The Conquest V.H.P is a highly innovative watch with a sophisticated movement. You might think this makes it difficult to set. Not at all. It's fast and easy. Let's show you. The watch is equipped with a smart crown which has 3 different positions. Position 1 is the standard running mode. Position 2 pulled out for time setting and to enter energy-saving mode. And position 0 when the crown is pushed to activate the GMT model's special functions. The Conquest V.H.P is not connected. Each watch is individually set to the current Swiss time by a watchmaker in the Longines factory. When delivered, the watch is in energy-saving mode, with the crown pulled out to position 2 and all hands set to 12 o'clock. To ensure that the watch remains in the energy-saving mode, the crown is temporarily locked in place with a small black cap around the winding stem. Before setting the watch, please remove this cap. Push the crown to position 1 and the watch automatically changes to Swiss time and date. To quickly adjust your watch to your local time, simply pull out the smart crown to position 2. Now a quick rotation sets the time hour by hour. In this case, the movement automatically repositions the second hand to the exact time, ensuring extra precision and accuracy. When you are finished, just push back the crown to position 1. Now everything is set. To set the time minute by minute, pull out the smart crown to position 2. A slow rotation of the crown allows you to set the time at your own convenience. While you are setting the time, the second hand will jump to 12 o'clock. When you push the crown back to position 1, the second hand starts to run again from 12 o'clock. Did you know, pulling out the crown to position 2 will make your watch go into energy-saving mode by setting the hands to 12 o'clock after 60 seconds. This storage mode serves to prolong battery life without losing the time or date previously set by the owner. Push the crown back to position 1 and the watch automatically displays the current time thanks to the IC, which goes on counting the time even in energy-saving mode. With our smart crown, innovative settings are easier than ever. Conquest V.H.P. Ultimate Quartz Innovation.